All right, let's talk about how you can create a pie chart within Excel. So here we just have some random data. Let's say that we have a company and these were our sales for the month. And we want to create a pie chart for, let's say, the first quarter, which would be January through March. So the first step in creating our pie chart is we need to select the data that we want to be included in the chart. In this case, it is January through March, along with the sales numbers here. Once we have our data selected, we can go up to the Insert ribbon, go over to this Charts area, and you'll see this little circle that looks like a pie chart. Hit that down arrow, and you can hover over it and it will kind of give you a preview of what that's going to look like. So there's these different pie chart options. We're just going to go with the first option here. And once you have that created, you can kind of drag that around wherever you want. You can click this arrow, you can resize it and move it around using these buttons and arrows. And there we have our initial pie chart. Now, if you unselect the pie chart, you'll notice that those little ribbons disappear. Once I select the chart again, the chart design and chart format will reappear. If I select chart design, I can then go around and play with the colors I want the slices in the pie chart to be. Or I can go over here and select different chart styles. I typically prefer this chart style. However, I don't really like the colors for the slices of the pie. So we can select those, and if we double click, this little sidebar will appear. If we go over to this little paint bucket and we go to fill, we can select the color that we would like. And let's say we want this color to be like a red, and then we'll want this to be yellow, and we'll select this color to be blue. Now honestly, that doesn't look super great, but for the sake of the example, we'll just leave it like that. Now down here you have your legend where it says, hey, red is January, yellow February, blue is March. You can then come up here and change the chart title to Q1 sales or whatever, and you can move that title around to different spots. And there are just a lot of different options you can select to format the design and overall appearance of your pie chart that you can kind of play around with as you'd like. Now, one thing to note is this little plus sign in the corner when you have the chart selected. If you hit that, that will allow you to add or remove different chart elements. Now, for example, let's say we don't really need a chart title. We can unselect that. The title will go away and just leave us with the graph. If we select the chart title, it'll bring it back, but we will need to rename it. We can also add data labels. It'll tell us the values for these slices in the pie chart, and we can move those labels around as well to different locations. So there you have it. Those are the basics on how you can create a pie chart within Excel. You can obviously really get bogged down in the details and the formatting of the chart, but it's really just kind of something you can play around with to make the chart look more professional or however you'd like. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. And if you really like, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and just have such a great rest of your day.